signing up for the VIP list, standing in the line to pick our favorite lot that we wanted, and we got that. The one we looked for, we got that lot, so we were very happy. Hi, I am Vibhuti Agrohari. We moved to Oklahoma in 2020, and since then we have been looking for a new community, and we found the Tabor best. My husband and I looking for homes for so long, and we found that the buying procedure or policies by Homes by Tabor was transparent. It was easy to understand, and it was really cool for the first time buyer like us to understand step-by-step process. So that's why we choose the Tabor. We picked the cornerstone with the bonus room, and the reason to pick the first, of course the kitchen very well connected to other rooms, but other than that the living room is spacious. That's what we were looking for. It's big. We have our fun time, quality time there, fun, food, entertainment. And the other part that I really like for my home is the backyard. The sunset view is really gorgeous. It's beautiful. From the very first day, and then all the process associated, like the closing, and when we enter to our new home, like that red big bow, and then finding those tiny essential things on the island and the card, everything we loved during that process.